Hi, in this video I will show the application that I made using Rust language, right? And this application I use the GTK4 to graphical user interface and the GStreaming to create a stream to other players, to browser and the VLC, right? And how does it work? I just selected a video file and it is decoded to three strings. At the first string, I will show inside the window, and the second string, I encode it to MPEG4 and send by RTP protocol to port 5000, and the VLC will decode the string. The third string, I create a TCP server inside the Gstreamer, right? And the browser will connect it to this TCP server. And after connection, TCP will deliver the string and the browser will show the video, right? So let's go. I'll show the string and it play it. Okay, play it on VLC, right? And I will start the browser to request a connection and it's done. Okay, and it's this tree stream not used at the same time because the buffer of each player, right? But if I stop the stream, auto stop, and try play, right? The VLC, it's client side, server side, sorry. So this is always waiting for a string. So when this new string coming, it is start the code automatically. But it is client side. So if the server is gone, and the video stopped, but we needed to restart and the video start to show again, right? I will explain the code, okay? And in here, it's a React application that I show in the browser. It's a very simple application. I use a native video tag, and I have a source that connected to a JStream server, TCP server, using port 8180. Okay, let's go to Rust. And in the Rust application, I have a simple application too. Okay, and in the here, it's I guess the main part because you needed to this plugin because this plugin will make the GStreaming to paint the screen of GTK4. So it's very important to use this plugin, right? And when the application is started, I call this function that I create here all the graphical elements. Okay, I bind some callbacks here to select file and to play the string and the stop string, right? And this another class is the part of I create JString element and create a string from a video file, okay? And first this element, I read the file and decode the file and this element, they read the file and choose the best decoder to deliver it and then decode the video in the raw frames. After it, I use a T, okay? And this T, this copy the raw frame generated by the code and copy this frame to other three strings, video sync, user space sync, and test space sync. Okay, well, where the videos sync, I paint on the same window, GTK4, and it is the second string that I encode in PG4 and put in PEG transport string and put in ret TP and send packets by UDP, okay? And two hosts, localhost and port. But it's standard by network, not as need to be the local host and maybe the other hosts, okay. And it's a TCP server string that I use to browser to connect it in. And I use the theora encode. I guess it was the best encoded because it's just too light for a string. And the TCP server, I choose the host that you be bind and then the port, okay. And then the next code, I link all the elements and create a main element here, okay, that have all the others. And I link all the string that I want, okay, by T. I'll start from T. And after this, I create a pipeline that read a file and the code. I'm just linking these two elements and not the 40. Okay, I don't link, I just add here because the link not happen here, the code bean, because the code bean will know the connection after start the coding. So you needed to create a callback to link on the time. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.